All right, guys, good evening. Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you're ready to buy. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. Guys, quick announcement. I'm not doing Sunday night charts tonight. My Redskins, Commanders are not, are in the playoffs. So I'm going to be watching them in about 20 minutes. Kickoff's at 8 o'clock. I'd like to enjoy that game tonight. So we're going to do Monday night charts tomorrow night. That said, I'm going to give you a couple of ideas here on the small time frame. I think Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum all setting up for a dump here and then a pump. That's kind of the way I'm thinking about it. We'll go over the in-depth count tomorrow night, but let me just give you some small time frame wave counts here. I've been looking for a target of Bitcoin down here, okay? Pulling the fibs right here. I'm gonna call this an A wave of some kind, and then we got 3, 3, 5, a B wave there. At least that's the way it looks, right? So this looks right. Now I may be wrong, but that looks like an ABC flat. Okay. What I'm expecting here, I was expecting this 786 target, and I was kind of looking like this as the first wave, the second wave, and then the third wave, looking for a wave 4, and then to come on down. That's still possible, but I think also that this could be a lot more bearish than I'm expecting, that we could have a 1-2-1-2 setting up, where this is wave 1 to the downside, wave 2. This is a really bearish count, guys. Now, I'm not trying to present a bearish count because I want to. I'm just like, I was expecting this to roll over, kind of come down impulsively, hit the low, and then work its way back up. That's what I was looking for. We're not getting that wave structure, at least right now, especially with this pump right here. Okay, so what else could it be? Well, this could be a wave 1 that finished right there. Okay, and now we're getting a 3. Okay, let's go into the small time frame. I'll show you. So we got clear 3 waves. Now what? I'm seeing this as a 3, 3, 5 as well. So we've got A to here, B to here, and then looking for C to come down. Okay, what's that going to be? Well, that's going to be an A wave. That's going to be B. We could take this low first, and then we go up for C. When we start pumping, okay, we take this low on the B wave. We start pumping, we take out these levels, and then we dump again. We go back down. So, guys, there's a potential move here where we come down here tonight, okay, and into tomorrow, and then we pump after that for the next couple of weeks into the inauguration, maybe for the next week. Who knows how fast that's going to go? It'll be a wave much similar to this wave here. So. That took, about a week or so for that to go up. So we're going to look for something similar to that move. So this comes down tonight, tomorrow, maybe, and then into the next couple of days. This may take a lot longer to bottom here, but that's a real possibility there. Okay. So watch out for that. XRP and Ethereum all looking the same way. Look in the small time frame on Ethereum very quickly. Same kind of thing. It's pretty nasty little move here. So this is the bearish count here. So I'm not sure how to count this other than maybe It's an odd count. Ethereum's a little bit harder to read, right? So I'm going to say this. I'm going to say boom, 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 boom. There's 3. 3, 3, or actually, let's do it this way. Let's go 3 to there, and now we're going ABC. That's boom, boom, down, and that's 3 to there. Looking for 5 to follow, and then so looking for a dump. Could take the low. Don't have to take the low, but could take the low, and then a pump. That's an idea, okay? Now, what you guys have to understand, especially if you're new to the channel, is that what we apply here is Elliott wave theory. You're looking for wave structure, 5s and 3s, and what I'm doing for you is taking my knowledge of Elliott wave and applying 5s and 3 principles and structures that we often see, plus liquidity grabs and understanding market maker movements, and saying these are shapes that we often see. Okay, so don't be surprised to see this play around a little bit, take the low, play around this bottom here, and then go on back up. And what that becomes when you zoom out is a big 1-2-1-2. Okay, it could be the second part. It could be something like there's 3 waves right there, and now this is 3 waves. And now we're looking for 3 waves. And so that would precipitate a larger move down. Now, a bullish way we can look at this, okay? A bullish way we can look at Ethereum, and this is more bullish, is that this right here was A, B, C. And all you're getting right now is just a series of 1-2s maybe, where this is 1, 2. Now this is trash, is what that is. We're now starting to impulse up and out of here. So if we start impulsing and we get going here, then that's going to be very, very nice. I'm going to like this for A, and then a complex B there, flat B, then looking for a C wave, or a 1 and a 2, and we get that final pump we've been looking for. Guys, we have time tomorrow night to do an in-depth look at the market. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm thinking. That's what hangs in the balance. I'm kind of thinking we're gonna pump. Okay, either way, I think we're pumping, but I think we have a chance to come down here first, a real strong chance to come down here, take the low, or at least this low, this liquidity before we go up. Now that could turn into just a correction and then down, or it could turn into something bigger to the upside for Ethereum. Okay, looking at XRP, same kind of thing going on here. Okay, let me show you XRP on the higher time frame. Now this is a very, very bearish count for XRP. So here's what I'm thinking here for XRP. This gets complex in here. Okay, see how complex this wave was right there? How complex this wave is? Well, this one's going to turn into a more complex wave. Then we get a final push to the upside, or at least boom, boom. And what that's going to do, that final pump to the upside, and that's the pump I'm seeing for Bitcoin. That's the pump I'm seeing. So the Bitcoin pump's only going to go up here correctively, 98,000 or so, 99,000, and then dump from there for a 1-2-1-2 to the downside. XRP would do its final pump, look like it's getting ready to go to break up and out of this range, and then dump on everybody for a third wave, and that would be basically A, B, C. Okay, and then we'd be going down for a deeper correction. That doesn't mean we can't pump later on. So let's talk tomorrow night. I'm looking for a bit of a fake out tonight to the downside. I think this is this move up tonight was more than likely an initiation move to something that could go down, take the lows of the local low, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, and then start pumping after that. So I think we're going to pump, but I think they're going to take the local lows first and then pump it. They don't have to take the local lows, but that's at least an idea to be looking for. Tomorrow night, Sunday night charts will be moved to Monday night charts. We're going to start at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, like we normally do. Spend a couple hours looking at in-depth wave structures and really see if we can get a handle on where things might be going soon. Guys, be careful in this market. It's crazy. And don't forget, this isn't financial advice. This is just the way I see the market. If you need help looking at the market through an Elliott Wave lens, I'd love to have you in the Discord. Just join the Patreon below and we'll get you right in. You can go through the course that I've got. You can learn Elliott Wave theory, be amongst a community of traders who really trade all time frames from all over the world. very active, especially nowadays when we're really looking at the waves together. You need a community of traders together who are actually balanced. We're not moon boys. We're not bear boys. We look at the market as a community, and we understand that the market can go up and down. It's not just always up, feeding your ego and feeding your greed. And we're not just always saying down, 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 feeding your fear and your FUD. We stay balanced, okay? We deal with fear, hope, and greed, and we put those emotions at bay, and then we trade real setups on the market. So if you need help learning how to trade like that, emotionless, we'd love to have you in the Discord. Come on in. Until then, tomorrow night, see you then on the live stream. Go Commanders tonight. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.